What's poppin', y'all? It's Peaches. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all already know I'm your favorite nail tech, back with another video. And today's video is all about this short set. I went ahead and did a birthday set on an Aquarius. Gang. I'm not an Aquarius, but you know what? She is, so she representing. So I really wanted to show you guys how you can slay a shorty set. Like, this set was expensive. Her budget was in the 120s, and this is what we went ahead and did. She chose her colors and was basically like, I don't know what I want to do, so help me. I know I like ombre, you go ahead and do it. Okay, so this is what we came up with. So before we go ahead and really get into everything in the video, we're going to do our subscriber shout out, and today's subscriber is Shakita. Thank you for subscribing. She subscribed today at 4:11 p.m. Y'all already know what it is. Turn your notifications on, okay? Also, did y'all peep the new intro? Did y'all like it? Yeah, okay? Comment down below a heart for the new intro, okay? So you guys will see me during this video kind of be angled in an interesting way, like with her hand. I'm posing her hand here and there. It's because I was actually on YouTube Live as I'm recording this, so there are certain parts like the filing and stuff I was going to include in this video, but then I decided, like, you know what, I did go live on YouTube, and it's not from this overhead angle, it's from the perspective you can kind of see me. But you know what, we was really having a good time, and there were certain things that I was like, you know, giving little hints and tips and tricks and things. So go ahead and watch that. I'll take it off of private so you can see more in depth. And also, I did explicitly show the colors of what I'm using, okay? So I'll find those and I will list them in the description as always. So pretty much this set consists of a couple of ombre nails and a couple of solid nails, and then her whole budget is pretty much used for bling and charms, okay? So these two nails right here, this teal nail and that glitter nail, are going to be ombres. That pink nail, I believe, is Glow Getter. I want to say all these is not polished, because if it's not polished, it's not what? It ain't it. Boom. So I would say do not start with your glitter first. I'm doing it because I know by the end of it I'm using a lot of bling, so you're not even really going to be able to see none of that. But if you weren't, go ahead and start out with all of your solid colors first and do your glitter last, especially if you're a beginner, because it's going to be very frustrating for you to be using a variety of glitters and things like that, and it's interfering and getting into your solid colors. You're not going to want that, okay? So I know that teal one is called Confetti Cake. This glitter purple is, that glitter pink is called Babe Alert, and then this one right here is called Stupid Cupid, and then the nude that we use, I want to say, is probably Second Nude, and that's the colors that we went ahead and used, okay? So yeah, see, like a glitter like this, I would not suggest doing this until all the other solid colors are laid, because I did get glitter in that. You see that solid pink nail? There's clearly glitter in there, but once again, I'm not tripping because it's not going to make a difference to the overall look. Now, I did not have a rhyme or a reason to when I was doing this. She was like, would it be too much if I put teal in this? I'm like, baby girl, pick whatever colors that your heart settles on, because you guys already know, or maybe you don't if you have not seen my page, Nailsbyprettyface on Instagram. Go ahead and follow. But I use a lot of colors that sometimes it look like they're not going to go, but I make them work. And that is because you have to understand the way a color wheel works. There's like complementary colors and all that things like that they may not seem like they go, but technically because of the color chart they go. And I just want to point out that index finger is sloped like that because she did pop off a set of nails that was not done by me. This is actually a returning client, but it's been a while. She ended up going back to her other nail tech, I guess, and she noticed the quality had been going down since October. And I noticed that on that particular nail, the tip of her nail, although it looked long, it was really attached to her hyponychium, which is that skin underneath. And it was like it was going to crack. It was very, I don't want to say it was very wiggly, but it ended up giving her nail a slope, basically, because of whatever they had going on. I know how to work around it. That one nail is going to look a little bit off compared to the rest, but that's why you don't go to other nail techs and you stay with me, okay? Because we don't have that problem, and you don't have to pop off your nails if other techs would just offer soak offs. Like, come on now. So I'm refilling the liquid. Now, also another tip, do not refill your liquid if you still have liquid that has a glitter in there, because once again, if you're a beginner, you're going to get frustrated that glitter is getting everywhere, because there's no way you can avoid glitter getting into places that you don't want it if you start with the glitter first. So see how there's chunks of glitter there? I know how to work around it. I know how to get rid of it. You see my paper towel is covered with glitter and everything. I should have already changed my paper towel out, but I don't really think I did, because I'm like, well, I'm almost done. So realistically, this set, application wise, took me, I want to say 20 to 25 minutes to do this application process. Okay. I did speed it up because, I mean, the nails are pretty short, so there's not, like, everything you need to see is right here. You know what I'm saying? Like, short nails do not have to be boring, and they don't have to be bulky, and they can have bling. Like, there's such a stigma, and there's a lot of texts that do not do short nails, and I really think it's because short nails is not easy. I used to not like really doing short nails until I got a whole influx of these random ass girls that came from like a town or two over, like really during COVID, when one nail shop had closed down, and it forced me to have to do short nails, even way shorter than this. Okay, so in doing that, I realized, you know what, if you just practice and really think logically, what is the things that makes a short nail look good, and how can I apply that? I understand it takes practice, we've all been there, but don't dismiss them, because shorty sets can be looking like some fire. Okay, and this is how we're gonna go about it. So really, I'm gonna let y'all know I did have some technical difficulties in this video with the bling and stuff like that, just because there was no, I don't want to say there was no rhyme or reason, but I didn't know what I wanted to do. So therefore I was kind of just looking to see, like, okay, what do I got, what's gonna work for her. And she did know that she wanted some Aquarius stuff, or an Aquarius something, and so that's when we settled on the aqua. Well, I did that my own self. But yeah, some of the bling designs, I decided I changed my mind, or some stuff wasn't the right size. I'm running low on bling, and it might not look like it, but there's a lot of sizes that I'm just like, damn, I need some more. And I guess I didn't realize that I had gotten down so bad, but like, damn, like, come on. So yeah, you're gonna see me, I don't want to say it's not really a struggle, but you're gonna see me doing a lot of fiddling, a lot of looking around in my box. Well, I deleted a lot of that, but yeah, you're still going to be seeing me looking around because I don't have all the sizes that I need. And then you're going to be seeing me, you know, pry some stuff on, replace it with other stuff. It was just a process, and these nails did take a little bit longer, the whole process, than they needed to with the bling, just because of that reason. So don't get discouraged if you feel like your designs is not what you want. As long as you work quickly, you have time to get rid of it and change it. Okay, so here I'm talking to the live and stuff. I cut out most of that, but I'm talking to the live and telling them, like, dang, am I going to be able to fit 4 letters on these nails? So I'm trying to figure out, like, okay, in which direction and stuff do I want to go ahead and do it in? And that's how you see me doing this. And I realized that nail is probably a little bit too small. So I went to the other side, and I was like, you know what? I'm finna make it fit, because I want this to say aqua, because everything else is too big for her. So I put down a little glue, and I did an angle at this way, and I was so juiced that I made it work, because I'm like, okay, step 1 complete. This is very cute, and it's done. Now, I didn't show any encapsulations of any of the ombres. They're short, so it was a very thin encapsulation, but some of the glitter, like on that other hand with that teal and glitter ombre, y'all, I'm so sorry, I had a hiccup. I did file through. And that was okay, because I ended up covering it with something else, but that nail was looking very thick, because once again, when it's sloped like that, it does give problems and troubles, unfortunately. Okay, so now this particular nail, I show quite a bit of it. I did decide to frame the whole nail. At first, I was just gonna do like a little cuticle area thing, but once again, I did mention earlier in the video that her budget was like 120 something. Like, she originally, she said she didn't want to go over 140, but then she was like, let's just keep it in like the 120-ish, 130-ish range. So it's like, okay, girl, I got you. And typically when people, short nail girls, have big budgets, there's not too many designs that you can do, like acrylic wise, that is going to, like, you can do a little bit of marbling or tie-dye, ombre, or solid nail realistically, or you know, something with like a clear design and gold flakes type of thing. But really, all of the budget is going to be spent on top. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's nail art or whatever. So just don't be scared to talk to them and to suggest some things, okay? So now this is the nail that had the slope on it. And originally, I really wanted to use this little charm with the gold and the pink, because the other hand had the gold with the aqua. And I ended up realizing not only did I glue it on fucking crooked, but on top of that, it just wasn't what I thought I was gonna be, like, at all. I use those all the time, but I just wasn't feeling it, just a single charm. Like, it was very out of place. So this particular nail, I had no idea what I was doing. I was like, do I want to try and do a design that kind of slithers down the nail? I don't know. So I really ended up just putting bling on until I just kind of felt satisfied in how it was. And it ended up being kind of like, it took up a good amount of the nail, but at the same time, it was like contained to its own little space. I don't even know. I couldn't even tell you what type of design this is at all. It's kind of just there, but it also kind of went. So I was trying to find a good balance between that one hand where instead of bling, it was actually, you know, a word. And on this hand, it was going to be mostly bling. So sometimes just stop and think like, okay, if I do this on this hand, what is that going to mean for this hand? You know, because no matter what, even though things can be different and look different, you always want to maintain some sort of balance to your look, which is why I took off that pink charm, because I felt like it was imbalanced. So I'm really going back and forth between hands. And on this one, I think I just did some cuticle stones, some really big ones though. Don't be scared to throw on like SS16, SS20s, this is in the range of that size. Don't be scared to put these on those short nails. Don't be scared to put them on anybody, because you know what? It stands out and it's different. And a lot of people feel like short nails need to be dainty. I do short nails that are gaudy all the time. And you guys know what gaudy means. You know, like trinkets and just this and that and eclectic. And like I said on the live, I really like doing short nails that are very like funky. And honestly, it just, you either like it or you don't. And honestly, I really don't care if you don't like it. But this is what people come to me for. You know what I'm saying? They come to me for my guidance and my freestyles and just my overall, I guess, aesthetic and look, if you want to call it that. But as long as you feel like you got something to offer as a nail tech, let's, you know, put it out there and people will come to you. Because 9 out of 10 times, maybe let's say 7 out of 10, because some people heart ain't in it being a nail tech for real. But let's say 7 out of 10 for those of you who are creative. People will find you as long as you put yourself out there. Every single day, okay? Somebody's gonna find you. So, on this particular finger, I don't, honestly, I really can't see. But we're doing another bling design, and oh, okay, y'all can't see either. Okay, here we go. I'm doing a bling design. I did not know what I wanted to do, and I feel like it shows. And I was not wanting to just do something that was just sitting like this. And it wasn't until I saw some of the little bling that I was like, something about this is not right, like, at all. So do you see also, this is random. Okay, the video was shaking because I was trying to get those two off. They would not come off. And you could see, like, I'm struggling. And you know what? It happens. And that's okay. That is okay, because eventually they came off and we fixed it. So now you see on this nail, the ombre looks kind of like not too ombre, but that's fine because I already knew I was going to, you know, put stuff on top to go ahead and cover that up, basically. So I'm just going to replace that. I realized, you know what, I want a little bit more teal in the mix because it's getting very much pink, and she did say she did want, you know, a teal color, and I don't want the teal to look thrown off. You know what I'm saying? So just whatever you do, whatever colors you use, even if it's funky or whatever, you need to find a way to incorporate everything. Like the nails, I feel like nails kind of tell a story in a sense. It kind of gives off personality, and everything has to look like it goes. Like, even if it don't go, it got to look like it goes. And that's the difference between sometimes nails that kind of miss the mark and nails that's like, dang, that's different, but I'm effing with that. You see what I'm saying? So don't get discouraged. Don't get upset. And actually, she said this nail was like her favorite nail. That one and the aqua one. So how about that? And somebody that started up their damn car. We went this whole entire video voiceover without no problems, and now somebody want to be out there revving their damn engine. Or are they taking their trash? I can't tell. Somebody doing something out there. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this whole new intro that I made. Okay, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Now I do have other videos coming up. Okay, do y'all see this? Y'all see the look? Do y'all see the look? Bam. And I decided that I was gonna go ahead and add a little bit more bling, which you guys really won't see. Very simple bling. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this kind of encourages those of you who want to, you know, really show what you can do with short nails. Go ahead and show off what you can do. You can do a lot with short nails, a lot more than people are willing to do and try, and you will stand out for it. Okay, so once again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Nailsbyprettyface. Here is the final look once again. Y'all already know we got videos pretty much daily. We got a lot of nail content, live streams, shorts. I'm doing shorts now. Okay, and I'll see you guys in the next one.